To arrange components vertically or horizontally, you can use Align tool. The Align tool is located in the Edit Components panel of the Schematic tab. After choosing the Align tool, then in the command line, you will be prompted to select the component. The component which you select for the first time acts as a master component, and you have to select the other components to arrange them based on the location of master component. So I click on this point and then I need to choose the other components that I want to be aligned based on the location of the master components. After selecting my desired component, I press enter and finally all the components will be lined up. You will often need to remove a component from your drawing. Therefore, you have to use Delete Component tool. To select this tool, go to Edit Components panel and choose Delete tool, and finally you have to select the object that you want to be deleted. So select it and then press enter. The selected component will be deleted and the wire will be reconnected too.